Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're going to do another Beatles song. This is No Reply, and it's very easy. It's got a few odd chords here and there, but it's a really easy song to play to impress your friends. So it's going to start out with F. This happened once before. I came to your door. G7. No reply. C. Do it again. F. They said it wasn't you, but I saw you peep through. That's a G7, your window. All right, the I saw the light part is actually two different progressions. The first one is I saw the A minor, I saw the light, E minor. Second time through is F major 7, which is just a C chord, your open C chord, but just take these two fingers and go over one string. Boom, like that. I saw the light, E minor. I know, but you saw me, D7, D minor 7. As I looked up to see, G7, your face. Let's do that much again. This happened once before. I came to your door, no reply. C. F, G7, C, A minor, E minor, F major 7, E minor. I know that you saw me, D minor 7, G7. I looked up to see your face. And that is the first verse. Let's go on to the second verse, which is going to be the same thing. I tried to telephone. They said you were not home. G7. That's a lie. It sure was. Because I know where you've been. I got that F again. I saw you walk in. G7, your door. This one here is a C6, which is just an open C chord with your pinky right there on the B string. Your door. I nearly died. A minor, E minor. There's that F major 7 again. E minor, as you walked hand in hand. D minor 7 with another man. G7 and in my place. That is verse number 2. There are 3 verses. But before we go to verse number 3, let's go ahead and do the bridge. This is where it goes, if I were you. Okay. This is going to be a C. If I were you, I'd E7, A7. Love you more, D minor, than F, any other C guy. Around again, and I'll forgive C, the E7, the lies that I, A7, heard before. D minor, when you gave me F, no reply. C. Cool. Let's do that bridge one more time. Here we go. We're on C. If I were C, E7 to A7, love you more, D minor, than any F other guy. C, and I'll forgive C, the E7, A7, heard before, when you gave me F, no reply. C. Now we are to the third verse. I tried to telephone, which is going to be F. They said you were not home. That's a lie. Because I knew where you've been. F. I saw you walk in. G7, your door. Here we go, that I nearly died again. I nearly died. A minor, E minor. I nearly died. F major 7 and E minor. Because you walked hand in hand, that's going to be D minor 7 with another man in my place. And then the ending of the song is no reply, A minor, E minor, and then that F major 7, and then it ends on that C6. Okay. You can also play the G7 instead of this way with the 7 on top. You can play it like so, which is just start out with your open G chord, and then just take your ring finger, put it right there on the D string, and the G7 resolves to the C. All right, so that's No Reply by the Beatles. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you on the next video.